How would you coach me to try to say, all right, let's figure out where did this emotional eating begin and how do we get rid of it?
Usually emotion in eating comes from emotion. So we would like to look at and saying, okay, what happened maybe that led to that emotional eating? Very often that is something that might happen or have happened in your childhood. I had one client, for example, whose parents were in the evening, they were tired and they put the child in front of TV with a big bag of chips because they just needed a break. They were great parents, everything was happy and glory, but they just needed some time. The child kind of thought, oh, my parents don't love me. They put me in front of TV, but the big bag of chips is my love, right? That gives me love and satisfaction. So later on in their adulthood or throughout their lives, whenever they look for love, they will look into the bag of chips and eat it. Serotonin is not only produced in the brain, but mostly, actually 90% in your gut. So for example, if you have been eating unhealthy food, that might affect your serotonin production, and that can then lead to more emotional eating.